Submarines, which are also called as silent killers, are the biggest strength of alien navy. China currently operates 70 plus submarines. In contrary, Indian Navy has only 17 submarines. Therefore, anti-submarine warfare becomes extremely important as it might take decades to match up with the number with Chinese submarine fleets. The main weapon of a submarine is torpedo. DRDO labs have developed an indigenous system which will defend Indian Navy warships against any torpedo attack by submarines. The Advanced Torpedo Defence System ATDS developed by DRDO labs is called Maareech. The Mareech was a rakshasa in the epic Ramayana. He had capability to camouflage or transform. Maareech assumed the form of a golden deer and helped Ravana kidnap Sita. Therefore, the word Maareech has become a synonym of illusion, and the name Maareech suits pretty well to DRDO's ATDS. Maareech, which is an advanced torpedo defense system, is used to detect, classify, and offer countermeasures against an impending torpedo attack on the ship. The design and development of this anti-torpedo decoy system has been taken by DRDO Labs NSTL and NPOL. Mareech was inducted into Indian Navy in June 2020, and now, as per a few sources, the production of Mareech has started. If we look into the press release of PIB, the production is likely to be done by Bharat Electronics Limited BEL, which is a defense PSU. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Today we are going to discuss in details about Mareech, how it's going to be a game changer for Indian Navy, its specifications and operations. But before we discuss in detail about Mareech, let's spend some more time in understanding torpedoes. Torpedoes are nothing but missile which travels underwater, and that is what makes it difficult to detect. Though torpedoes can be detected by sonar, it might be too late for a warship. However, there are a few weaknesses of torpedoes as well. 1. They are slow. 2. They have limited endurance of around 30 minutes. Torpedoes also have a small sonar at the tip which detects the sound generated by the propeller of the ships. Torpedo also needs a propeller to dive inside the water to reach to its target. These torpedoes can be detected by sonar due to the sound generated by its own propeller. However, it is difficult to neutralize them due to their small size. This is where decoy system is used to divert the torpedoes from the actual target. Once diverted, the torpedo loses its energy after some time and becomes completely useless. The submarines can then also be counter-attacked with the help of torpedoes on board on the ship. Now that we know the basics of how decoy system work, let's talk in detail about Mareech. Mareech, which is an advanced torpedo defense system for surface warship, is capable of providing reliable defense mechanism against a possible torpedo attack by vintage as well as modern torpedoes. Mareech system has both torpedo detection and countermeasure capability. The core functions include automatic detection, tracking and alert of incoming torpedoes and decoying of acoustic homing torpedoes. The system consists of a linear towed receiver array with appropriate length for the detection of torpedo signatures, towed decoy module for decoying of torpedoes, tow cable, a hydraulically operated winch system for handling the array and tow cable, hull-mounted array sensor data interface, and onboard electronics and system software for signal processing, display, and recording of sonar information. Mareech system consists mainly of 4 subsystems, that is, wet end system, winch system, onboard electronics, and system software. The wet end system consists of different modules of sonar arrays such as towed decoy and tow cable, as you see in the video. The tow cable gets attached to winch system, which is used for deployment, retrieval, and stowage of the wet end. The data is received at the onboard electronics by fiber optic telemetry from array to winch and by electrical telemetry from winch onwards. The onboard electronics comprise of specific hardware modules for signal processing and display, data recording and data sharing with tow cable. The system uses a hull-mounted sonar sensor data also for torpedo detection. The system software, which resides on the board hardware modules, implement advanced signal processing algorithms for torpedo detection, classification, and decoying of torpedoes. The Mareech can be fitted and fired from all Navy's warship. With induction and now the start of production of Mareech, it's going to greatly boost the Indian Navy's anti-submarine warfare capabilities. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.